Welcome to Cash Chronicles, where we're feeling extra generous today. We're about to share something truly special with you. If you're on the hunt for some free cash, you're in the perfect place. In this video, we're going to unveil 5 incredible websites that are practically giving away money. Yes, you heard it right, free cash. So stick with us as we explore these fantastic opportunities one by one. Whether you're looking for a little extra pocket money or a significant financial boost, we've got you covered. Get ready for a journey into the world of free money. First one is Kiva, connecting lenders and entrepreneurs. Kiva is a legitimate platform that facilitates microloans to entrepreneurs globally. To avail assistance, entrepreneurs create profiles detailing their businesses and funding needs. Lenders, motivated by philanthropy, can browse these profiles and contribute funds to borrowers of their choice. Kiva's legitimacy is supported by its transparency, as lenders can track the progress of their loans and receive repayments once the entrepreneur succeeds. Pros include the opportunity to support entrepreneurial ventures and the option to relend funds after repayment. However, Kiva's reach may be limited to areas with active field partners, and repayments are not guaranteed, posing a risk to lenders. Second on our list is Modest Needs, helping those in short-term crises. Modest Needs is a legitimate non-profit organization that provides grants to individuals facing short-term emergencies. Applicants submit their needs, and donors contribute to specific requests. The platform's legitimacy is affirmed by its 20-year track record of assisting those in need. Pros include the quick financial relief it offers and the transparency of the process. However, it primarily caters to short-term emergencies and may not be suitable for long-term financial support. Additionally, as a grant-based system, the funds are limited and may not fulfill all requests. Third, Give Directly, direct cash transfers to alleviate poverty. Give Directly is a legitimate organization providing direct cash transfers to people in poverty. Beneficiaries are selected based on need, and the funds are transferred directly to them. The legitimacy of Give Directly is reinforced by its extensive work in poverty alleviation. Pros include the direct impact of cash transfers and minimal overhead costs. However, it's essential to ensure that recipients are truly in need, and donors may not have direct control over how the funds are used. Fourth is GoFundMe, a legitimate crowdfunding platform you've heard a million times. This is a platform that allows individuals to create campaigns for various needs. Users set up campaigns, share their stories, and seek donations from a global community. The legitimacy of GoFundMe is backed by its status as one of the largest crowdfunding platforms. Pros include the ability to address a wide range of personal needs and the potential for reaching a broad audience. However, not all campaigns are fully funded, and contributors must exercise discretion to avoid potential scams or misuse of funds. Liking this video so far? Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe so that you will be updated for more money-earning videos. Okay, the last website you've been waiting for. If you've reached this far, comment Green Apple on the comment section below. We have Zedisha, empowering entrepreneurs with microloan. Zedisha is a legitimate peer-to-peer micro-lending platform that connects lenders with small business owners in developing countries. Borrowers create profiles, and lenders provide loans at a low interest rate. Zedisha's legitimacy is supported by its positive impact on small businesses in underserved regions. Pros include the ability to empower entrepreneurs directly and low interest rates. However, as with any peer-to-peer lending, there's a risk of loan default, and lenders may not see immediate returns on their investment. In summary, each of these platforms has its unique approach to providing financial assistance, whether through microloans, grants, direct cash transfers, or crowdfunding. They are legitimate and have made a positive impact in their respective fields. Pros include the opportunity to support specific individuals or causes, the transparency of the processes, and the potential for global outreach. However, cons may include the limited availability of funds for certain requests, the risk of non-repayment in some cases, and the need for careful vetting to avoid potential scams or misuse of funds. And there you have it. the keys to unlocking free cash through these amazing websites. We've just scratched the surface, and there's a world of opportunities out there waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment to stay in the loop about more exciting ways to bolster your earnings. Thank you for joining us today at Cash Chronicles. Remember, free money is out there, and it's yours for the taking. So go ahead, explore these websites, and embark on your path to financial freedom. Until our next video, keep earning and keep thriving.